What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to live stream on YouTube for kids. So basically guys, YouTube Kids does not have that option to live stream, or let's say does not support live stream option. So what you can do is you can just go to the actual YouTube website or app, and then what you do is just create a channel. In my case it has already been created, so just create your channel and then just go to this create option, and then you'll be having the option that says go live. So if you are new to this, then it will ask to request access to streaming. So what you have to do is you have to request. So you'll be having option over here, just press it, and to access, so it says to access live streaming on desktop, for verify your phone number. Just verify it, just type or like do anything. So here will be option to text me the verification code or call me with an automated voicemail. So let me just type a number. So you can check your phone. There will be the code. Then just press submit. So it says phone number verified. So now it's loading guys, it's loading. Just have some patience. So it says that your request streaming on February 18, 2024 at 9:30 has been requested. So you have to wait guys. So it will take some time. So once it is like available in your channel, then you can schedule streams or go live instantly at any time guys. So that's pretty much guys. Now what you have to do is you have to share the contents, or let's say go live stream for kids, so with the kids content. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.